This could have been just another day, but instead we're standing here. No need for words, it's all been said in the way you hold me near. I was alone on this journey. You came along to comfort me. Everything I want in life is right here. 'Cause this is not your ordinary, no ordinary love. I was not prepared enough to fall so deep in love. This is not your ordinary, no ordinary love. You were the first to touch my heart, made everything right again with your extraordinary love.
If I had one wish, boy, I'd wish you next to me. And it could be in summer, fall, or spring, boy, 'cause you make my heart sing. I wanna give my heart, my soul, my love to you, oh baby, yeah. 'Cause every day I'm not with you, I'm missing you like crazy. I need for you to love me, hold me, touch me down deep in my soul. Never let it go of the life we share. No one compares to you. I'll never let you go, 'cause I really love you so. Oh, why? I'll never let you go. Oh, no.
Forever, deep inside my heart you'll leave me never. Even if you took my heart and tore it apart, I would love you still forever. We've had our fun and we've made mistakes, but who'd have guessed along that road we learned to give and take? It's so much more than I could have dreamed. You make loving you so easy for me. There is no one in this world who can love me like you do. That is the reason that I wanna share forever.